Hello everyone. So here I have a small circuit made up of resistances, and these six resistance values you can see, and the nodes are also marked A, B, C and D, and this is all different series parallel combinations. And if you can see it little closer, you can see actually the resistance element here, and also on the back side the connections are made. So although the connections appear completely different, but then this is how the connections are in the front. I just, for your convenience, I marked them. But here the objective is to make a table like this, and if you can see all possible combinations. So there are four nodes A, B, C and D. Out of these four nodes I have all these combinations, and we want to measure RAB, RAC, RAD, so on. RAB is resistance between A and B, and A and C, and so on. We want to measure and calculate, and we want to match these two values. So of course it will not match exactly because the manufacturing tolerances will be there. So a 100 kilo ohm resistance may not be exactly 100 kilo ohm. It may be slightly 2-3% plus or minus. So overall we will try to match the measured values and calculated values. So let us begin by measuring. So I have a simple ohm meter, and I have kept it on 200 kilo ohms range. And then it's a simple measurement. So I can, in order to measure RAB, the red one is a positive terminal and the black is a negative terminal. I just have to put between RAB. So I just connect this like this, and we can see the value there. So on the screen you can see 146 kilo ohms. So because these are all in kilo, so it is in kilo ohms resistance. So let me write it down here: 146 kilo ohms. Next I'll measure RAC. So the same process, I keep this in the positive side A, and then this one is C, and it will be measuring RAC. We can see the value 165. So 165. So just a small point, you can also get the more accurate value by setting in 200 kilo range, and then if you again measure, so it is now showing 165, 4.9 something, 4.89 like that. So if I keep it in 2000 kilo range, it is just rounding off to the this one. So I just want to round off to the nearest decimal, so that's why I'm doing like that. Now A to D, RAD 175. So 175 kilo ohms. Next RBC, so the resistance between B and C. So RBC is coming to 92 kilo ohms. So 92 kilo ohms. Next RBD 72 kilo ohms. So hope we will, all these measurements will be able to match by properly calculating the values. So you don't need a circuit, you don't need a measurement all the time. If you simply have a network, and you can always calculate and then find out. Okay, RCD is 55. So 55 kilo ohms. So one more point before we stop this measurement thing is RAB equal to RBA. So because we have all these resistances, these are all linear elements, there is no diodes or anything. So in the reverse way also you can do. So if I now reverse these terminals and keep the red at B and black at A, and RBA if I measure, so it shows exactly 146. Similarly RCA if I measure, again it is showing 165, so and so on. So because this is a purely resistive network, it doesn't matter both directions, RAB or RBA, it will be same. Now then the measurement part is done. So here we can see calculations. So in the next video we'll draw this circuit and we'll make the calculations, and we will see whether they are matching or not. Thank you.